In front of me is ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select audio profiles right here, and then mark general. Tap on edit, and now you will notice ringtone, so just pick the SIM card that you would like to change this ringtone to. In my case it will be 71st, and now choose the ringtone that you want to apply. It can be the party. Tap on OK to apply it, and as you can see, it has been already changed. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.